Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make an easy and simple paneer curry for chapati. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a thick bottomed pan over low flame. Add 500 grams of paneer cubes and fry it for 2 minutes. Flip it over and fry the other side also for 2 minutes. Take it out and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Now add 1 star anise, 6 cloves, 1-inch piece of cinnamon and a small piece of mace or jathipathri. Saute this for a few seconds and add half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds and half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Saute this for a few seconds and add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 3 slit green chilies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Saute this for some time and add 6 finely chopped onions and a little salt. When the onions turn translucent, add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute this for some time and add 2 chopped tomatoes and a little salt. Stir well and cover it with the lid. Stir occasionally and cook it till the tomatoes become soft. Now add 1 cup of water. When the water starts boiling, add the paneer cubes. Stir gently. Cook it for 2 minutes over low flame. Now add 1/4 cup of deseeded cubed tomato, 1/4 cup of cubed capsicum, and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Stir gently. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Stir gently and turn off the flame. Paneer curry is ready to serve. This will go nice with chapati. Please try it out and post your feedback.